Good morning. It's 6:45. The sun is coming out and I'm very excited because I start to use my gas stove. Yay! I'm going to have warm coffee, warm food. I think I have a soup. In fact, I feel like having a soup. Something fun is that last night at 3:44, always around that time, I went out, the beautiful sky, beautiful stars, and what happened is that I hear steps, and I start to freak out, and I'm like, okay, someone is coming. What should I do? First reaction, protection, and then I'm like, okay, just like whatever chance they're going to find you, because that was my cover for tonight. Um, it's like totally stealth camping. That's why I need to wake up early and making sure I'm out before 7:30, like that nobody can see that I was here. But so to come back, I was so scared last night, and hearing this, I was like, okay, for a few minutes, and the sound was coming from here. So I was like, this is so weird. And same sound again. And I thought, hey, there were some cows yesterday hanging out. So that was the cow sound eating. They're eating also in the middle of the night. So then they started to give, I was starting to feel hungry. Anyway, so what I'm going